Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
Alhamdulillah. I'm good also. Thank you. Sister, listen. You know the Muslim festival Idul Adha. So when you will celebrate this festival day?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow is Eid al-Adha.
Yeah, tomorrow is your Idul Adha. Okay. Our festival Eid day will be held on day after. Day after. Not tomorrow, then other day. Next day. How do you celebrate your Eid day? What you do?
I sit in my home or go to my aunt. Visit my aunt. Yes.
Okay. So just you will stay at home or you will go to your auntie's house, but will you not go out with your friends for shopping or moving around and there?
My friend, I go to my friend in tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow at night.
Okay.
We go.
You
They
come.
visit me.
You come
or
here.
I visit him.
You visit to your friend house, and other day your friend visit at your house, right?
Yeah.
All right. Can you cook?
50-50.
50-50. Okay. But
50-50.
what kind of food you will cook tomorrow for the Eid day? What food you will cook?
Tomorrow barbecue. Yabrek.
And
Kebsa.
kebta.
Kebsa.
Okay. And the other question is, what is the Syrian best food?
Fast food?
Yeah, for the Syrian.
For Syria, spicy nuggets. Shawarma.
Do you like beef?
Spicy is very, very spicy.
Spicy. Oh, I do like the spicy food.
Chicken.
Yeah, alright. Sister, you come in Bangladesh to celebrate on this Eid day.
Maybe no. I visit Dubai in holiday. Listen, bro, Gazi, شو كان اسمه Bangladesh is war?
No.
War?
No war. Bangladesh is a very beautiful country for visitors. You can explore this country with granted. You will be really so satisfied with my country's disposal. So come over in Bangladesh and try to explore here.
Okay. Bro, in Bangladesh, where is different place?
My country is very famous for Sundarban. You can enjoy going to the Sundarban for our natural beauties. Yeah.
So beautiful.
Yeah, alright. I understand now. So thank you so much for joining here. Yes, morning. I'm really so happy for you. Okay. I would like to invite you to come over in Bangladesh for exploring my country. Okay. It's very good country, very polite, very honest country. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Okay.